guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this short video I just want to update you guys on the pond. It's doing well. I do get a lot of algae in the filter because it does get sun here, not all day, but it does get enough sun to create algae. So I do have to clean the filter quite often, but it's okay. But I have some news. The fish had babies. Remember guys, I was concerned about the fish multiplying, but my local here, there is a local pet store where I purchase a fish, and I told them, what happens if I have too many babies, can I bring them to you guys? And they said sure. So obviously it's a win for them because then they can sell them. But you see those little things? Let's see if I can get close there. There's a lot. At least I think there's possibly 15. So that's those over there that hang out there. And then they look pretty big already. There's 4 right now I see. And then there's a lot hiding in here. In there. And let's see if I sit here, if I get to see them. I can show you guys. There's Oreo. Oh, this plant is out. See if I can get this plant in. What is this stuck on? This plant is a little stuck. Okay, there we go. Sorry, Oreo, but this plant needs to go in. Okay, I'll fix this later. This plant needs to go in there. Fix it later. Okay, let's see if you see babies there. There's one right there. You see that little one? See them right there? Oh, there's another one. They're so cute and tiny. They have lots of spaces to hide, and they like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The rain's been keeping this pretty full, but yes, it does evaporate with the heat. But the rain has been keeping it pretty full. Lots of rain. These little fishies there. They're so cute. Let me feed. They are very active right now because they think I'm feeding. So let me, because I'm sitting here. They're already used to. They see me, they know that means food. So let me feed those here. And then I take and I just try to like really crush some for the itty bitty fishies. Crush it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I would say that means they're happy, in my opinion. Today's the first break of rain so far. It's early. I think it's still gonna rain. There's a lot of humidity. I think we're still gonna get some rain. But today is the first break of rain in quite a while, and today is Monday. So yeah. Look at those little guys. So cute. Let me put bigger flakes over here where the big ones hang out, and so the little ones can eat over here. I think that's the mom right there, the black and orange one. And I'm not sure if the Oreo is a mom. I think Oreo might be also a female fish. It's hard to tell, I don't know. But the orange one is always hanging underneath the black and white one. Always and forever. It's always tagging along, see? It's like, why? Does anybody know why? Those are mollies. I don't think you see them. Anyways guys, that's my update on the oh, I almost dropped my phone. On the pond. I'm glad I got a filter because I definitely needed it. because of all the algae, I definitely would need a filter. So yeah, I have to clean it quite often because of the algae that grows. So yeah, see that fish? He goes in that little hole in that rock down there. There's many spaces. So underneath this rock, there's a gap. Underneath the 2 breaks, there's a gap. And then I have the pot, and then that rock has a hole, and then just behind all the plants, behind all here, they go in and they hide. That's snow. Okay guys, well anyways, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.